Hi, it's your Bacalania Got Just With Me Girly. Hala, video kaya siya. May kumakanta sa backstage. Backstage! Anyways, let's get just with me. So, ayun. So, for today, it's my papa's first death anniversary. And, yes, I know you are very good there, Papa. Drink a lot of beers. Kasi you are a kids now. And for today is magvi-visit kami sa kanyang grave. Sa kanyang grave. And tapos mag small dinner. Small dinner. Mag-dinner lang kami ng family. And bukas sa birthday ko na. Yes po. My father passed away the day before my birthday last year. So, yeah. Let's get just to me. So, ito ang balak kong suotin for today kasi umuulan, ayoko mag-pants. Gusto ko free lang talaga ako. So, ayan. And the back part, swimming. Hindi. So, let's get just with me. This is it. I will pair with this one again for today. Kasi wala naman akong other option. So, ito lang. Okay, okay. Guess what I got? This is from the Hook. And I bought this one. This is my gift for myself. Happy birthday, Sa. I'm so happy. Okay, I will use this now. Change this fake gold. Fake gold. Okay. This is what it looks like. Go get me a Chanel. Okay. Okay, this is it. Ta-da! Let's change this one too. So I will be using this and this. So this is what I'm going to use again. Ta-da! And the necklace. Okay, ano na record naman na lewat. Hindi ko yung house mo. Panirado sa. Okay. For today, I got a silver jewelry. And again, this is the bag that I am going to use since my tita gave this to me as a birthday present. Para bang mukha akong athlete na magte-tennis. Since it's cold, because it's raining, I will wear this. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so that's it.